The Instagram grind likes are elusive. Let's be real, building a massive Instagram following is tough. It's not just about posting pretty pictures or having a catchy bio. It's a complex game of strategy, timing, and understanding your audience. You're creating awesome content, but the likes aren't rolling in. You spend hours perfecting your photos, writing engaging captions, and even experimenting with different posting times. You're spending hours on hashtags, but still not reaching the right audience. It's frustrating, right? You research the best hashtags, hoping they'll boost your visibility, but the results are often disappointing. You're putting in the work, but the results just aren't there. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many creators feel the same way, pouring their heart and soul into their content only to see minimal engagement. Countless creators and businesses struggle to crack the Instagram code. It's a platform that constantly evolves, with algorithms that seem to change overnight, making it even harder to keep up. The platform is crowded, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. With millions of posts being shared every day, standing out feels like an impossible task. You need a way to stand out, to reach the people who actually care about what you offer. It's not just about getting likes. It's about building a community of engaged followers who are genuinely interested in your content. But what if there was a better way? What if you could streamline your efforts and see real results without the constant trial and error? What if you could ditch the guesswork and unlock explosive growth, effortlessly attracting your ideal audience? Imagine having a tool that helps you navigate the complexities of Instagram with ease. That's where Nitreo comes in. Nitreo is designed to help you grow your Instagram account organically, connecting you with the right audience and boosting your engagement. With Nitreo, you can focus on creating great content while it takes care of the rest. Nitreo is your secret weapon to conquer the Instagram algorithm and achieve real, sustainable growth. Whether you're an influencer, a business owner, or just someone looking to expand their online presence, Nitreo has got you covered. It's not about shortcuts or bots, it's about working smarter, not harder. Nitreo uses advanced targeting techniques to ensure that your content reaches the right audience, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Nitreo empowers you with the tools and insights you need to supercharge your Instagram strategy and achieve your growth goals faster. From detailed analytics to personalized growth plans, Nitreo provides everything you need to stay ahead of the competition. Imagine this. You wake up to a flood of new followers, all genuinely interested in your content. These aren't just random accounts. These are real people who are excited about what you share. Your engagement is through the roof, with likes and comments pouring in. Every post you make gets the attention it deserves, and your community grows stronger every day. Your brand awareness skyrockets, and you're finally reaching the people who matter most. This means more opportunities, more collaborations, and ultimately more success for you and your brand. That's the power of Nitreo. It's not just about numbers, it's about building a meaningful and engaged community. So why wait? Start your journey to Instagram domination today with Nitreo. One of Nitreo's most powerful features is its laser-focused targeting capabilities. Imagine being able to reach exactly who you want, when you want, without any guesswork. Nitreo's advanced algorithms analyze countless data points to ensure your content is seen by the right people. Forget about wasting time with generic hashtags and hoping for the best. Generic hashtags can only get you so far, often leading to minimal engagement and a lot of frustration. With Nitreo, you can leave those days behind. Nitreo allows you to pinpoint your ideal audience based on demographics, interests, competitor followers, and more. Whether you're targeting a specific age group, geographic location, or niche interest, Nitreo has you covered. You can even analyze your competitors' followers to find potential new fans who are already interested in similar content. This means you're no longer shouting into the void. Instead of your posts getting lost in the noise, they are strategically placed where they will be most effective. Your voice will be heard by those who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. You're strategically placing your content in front of the people most likely to hit that follow button and engage with your brand. This leads to higher engagement rates, more meaningful interactions, and a growing community of loyal followers. It's like having a team of expert marketers working behind the scenes to ensure your content reaches the right eyes. Nitreo's sophisticated tools and insights give you the edge you need to stay ahead of the competition. You can focus on creating great content while Nitreo handles the rest. And the best part? Nitreo does all the heavy lifting for you. No more spending hours trying to figure out the best strategies or analyzing endless streams of data. Nitreo's automation takes care of everything, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Simply set your targeting parameters and let the magic happen. Watch as your audience grows and your engagement skyrockets. With Nitreo, attracting your dream audience has never been easier or more efficient. Engagement is king. Watch your influence soar. Ready to elevate your business? You can experience the power of Nitreo. Sign up through our page and enjoy an exclusive 5% monthly discount on your subscription. Just click the link in the description to unlock this special offer. As a loyal user myself, I can personally vouch for how Nitreo has transformed my business. It's been an incredible tool, and I highly recommend it. Don't miss out. Sign up now through the link below.